Hello everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Evony. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, click on the three horizontal dots in the right hand side of your screen. Here, click on Settings option. Go to Languages option. Here you can see a bunch of options to choose from. Now select a language of your preference. Then tap on Confirm button. And that is how you can change language in Evony. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.